Dear students, we shall continue our previous discussion on rational numbers. Rational numbers include natural numbers, whole numbers, integers and fractions. Natural numbers having different characteristics have given different names such as odd numbers, odd numbers, odd numbers, numbers which are not exact divided by 2 called odd numbers. For example, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11 and so on up to infinity. The second is even number. Even numbers are exactly divided by 2. For example, 4, 6, 8, 10 and so on up to infinity. The third number is prime numbers. Prime numbers which have only 2 factors, 1 and itself. For example, prime numbers. For example, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13 and so on. Fourth is twin prime numbers. 2 prime numbers differ by 2 is called twin prime numbers. Twin prime numbers. Twin prime numbers. जैसे 3, 5 ये ट्विन प्राइम नंबर है. 5, 7 twin prime and so on. Co-prime numbers, a pair of 2 numbers having one and only one common factor, that is 1, called co-prime numbers. Co-prime numbers. This is 2, 3. 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. Prime numbers need not be prime numbers themselves. Sixth number is prime triplet. A set of 3 prime numbers differing by 2 form a prime triplet. Prime triplet. Prime triplet. Example 3, 5, 7. Group of 3, 5, 7 is prime triplet differing by 2, the only prime triplet. No other set of prime triplet in the rational numbers. Seventh is composite numbers. Numbers which have more than 2 factors are known as composite numbers. Composite numbers. For example, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10 and so on. A collection of composite numbers is a mixture of odd and even numbers. Although number 2 is even but not a composite number. The only even number 2 is a prime number. The next is perfect number. The sum of all factors of a number is double the number. Then the number is called a perfect number. Perfect number. For example, 6. The all factors of 6 equal to 1, 2, 3, 6. Sum 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 6 equal to 12. And then 6 is a perfect number. The second example is 28. The all factors of 28 is 56. So 28 is also a perfect. Some objectives related to rational numbers. First, 0 is a rational number. It can be written in the form p by q, where pq are integers and q is not equal to 0. 0 in the form of p by q is 0 by 1, 0 by minus 1, 0 by 2, 0 by minus 2 and it. The difference between numeral 0 and number 0 is expressed as the numeral 0 is a placeholder, whereas number 0 is count for nothing.